What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can trade crypto on Phantom Wallet. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, we will open up our Phantom Wallet, and this is how it will look. Now, in the Phantom Wallet, in the home page, you will be able to see all of these options. Now, if you want to actually buy or swap cryptocurrency, or you want to send or sell your cryptocurrency, you'll be able to do it right here. If you want to receive any cryptocurrency from any of the receivers, just click on this receipt. You'll be able to get the wallet address, which you can copy it. After that, you can send it to someone, and he will be able to transfer that cryptocurrency to you. However, if you want to transfer your cryptocurrency, you can go to the send and you can select the cryptocurrency you have, and then enter the recipient address and then amount you want to transfer, and then you will be able to transfer it right here as well. However, if you want to swap cryptocurrency, you'll be able to do that right here as well. For that, you just have to go to the swap option and then select whichever the cryptocurrency you want to swap with whichever you want, enter the amount, and that's how you'll be able to do it. However, if you want to actually buy cryptocurrency, you can do that as well. For that, just go to buy, and there you go. These are all the options. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, enter the amount, and then select the payment method, whichever you want to use to pay for the cryptocurrency. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to make trade of the cryptocurrency. Hope you guys find this video helpful.